Hi, my name is Jim Slane, Columbus, Ohio. You can give me a call at 614-470-2356. This is a roofing and metal flashing repair where the homeowner here was having serious problems after the roof was done about 8 years ago. So I came in and tore out all the shingles and all the metal, and we redid all this. I do full chimney rebuilds, pour solid concrete caps, and do very large metal. Feel free to give me a call at 614-470-2356.